Yo, if I no money, ain't stop chat. My love money for money and back shot. Yeah, some gyal a free Wi-Fi off and off my code me hotspot.
People, viewers and subscribers, you know me there I may ask myself a question and I want to ask you the same question. But I want to make sure so I understand the question when I ask the question. Because I don't want to misinterpret the question. Right? And the question is Shaneil Muir getting better? No. When I say Shaneil Muir getting better, that no means there's nothing wrong with Shaneil Muir. And we are going to go through that video here. I'm going to show you some videos, some freestyle, some things that she are going with on the daily, you know what I mean, on the weekly, on our live, short snippet of video she make where they're all over the internet, and then we can answer the question at the end. You can get down in the comment section and tell me what you think based upon when I present to you, right? So we are going to jump right into it. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, if for the first time you listen to me, you know what I mean, I have to tell you now, Shaneil Muir is my artist. Most of the female artists, them, well, all of them, I'm an artist, them. You see what I say? Me represent for them. I vlog about them. I chat about them in all kind of capacity. So, I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show them what I want. So, I'm going to kick off things with a freestyle from Shaneil Muir. Then we jump right back into it. So, without any further ado, people, here what the artists are deal with. Listen to this. Here goes.
Yo, if I no money, ain't stop chat. My love money for money and back shot. Yeah. Some gyal a free Wi-Fi off and off my code me hotspot. Yo, my legs them not easy for you, but my nose say it easy for lock back. Yeah, can't joke out my thing. Anybody want smoke, you will get a hot box. You get it? My well known, but them no know my well. My style different. My nose to me a star, so watch it pray. Me know me shine differently. I feel no way if me no link it. I try to see if I buy me house, you know me. I feel have someone for part the Bentley. Reach my tight, not easy. Best believe me, keep it real with some pussy. All when me know say them no with me. I like young girl, the pussy know you never trick me. I trick yourself because my boss, so you not there with me. And not the only one of me.
Now, what I forget to do is warn you about the nature of these videos, because most of them have explicit language in them. You see what I say? Although we know that Shaneil Muir capable of a lot of things, she have her other song them will clean as a whistle. You see what I say? But them video what me present today, them racha. You see what I say? We don't know what that mean. Don't. I want different vibes. But, you know what I mean? I ask the question again, people. Like, wanna think a time now, like since 2020, 2022, either she a go up or she a dry up. Yeah, if you don't understand what I say. And to me, it's clear that she's consistent. She have the hits them and she keep on a come with beer tune people. And right now, I have to say, Shaneil Muir is the only artist I see a go up on her live and a sing song like that. Most people, I don't know what them a do. It's like them afraid of it. You see what I say? Or maybe they're not capable of doing that. But the top girl prove it over and over again. So she can just go so boom, turn on recording, and just go so boom and just sing a song. People, that's called passion. Real passion. When you have passion for something, you can do it anytime, anywhere, anyhow. You see what I say? I believe said the top girl have passion for music. And that is why she can do what she do. Now, I'm going to get back in another video. You see what I say? So we're going to play a next one. I want to go hear what the top girl I deal with. Remember, you know, we have more forgot you. So just tell me what you think down in the comment section. So take a listen to that one here. Here goes.
Yeah. Me know you fuck me good, but if you ask me never happy. Me need a man to fuck me good and also treat me right. You know me never need your money, just a regular cocky. Cause anything me want me get no matter what the price. Top girl in your life and I never lie. You treat me like you want me left you for another guy. Your actions, them have reaction. You can't style the done and me know you never love me. How you feel for no say you lose a good girl over fuckery. So take your time and think about that. I'm in the ugly, yo. Me wash, cook and clean and queen, but still you never notice. I know my pussy need justice, yeah. Man, I go say you are the worst, cause you cocky blessed. But baby, fuck alone, now go bring me happiness. Cause every day me stress, every week me feel depressed. And if me never try, you send me straight up and make the rest. Me know me tell you, say no matter what, me wouldn't leave. Same way you do the things you promise, say you wanna do it. Your actions, them have reaction. You can't style the down and me know. Oh, you never love me. Oh, you feel for no, say you lose a good girl over fuck me. So take your time and think about that.
People talk truth, no man. I never see an artist have so much quotable line. What I want to do also, you know what I mean? Drop a quotable line from Shaneil Muir down in the comments section. As well as, you know what I mean? We get through the video, I want to answer the main question. Is Shaneil Muir progressing, you know what I mean, faster than we expected? Yo, we're pleased with her as an artist and her development and her consistency and all of that. You see what I mean? I say, based upon where we are here on the airwaves and on social media, as well as a lot of these videos where she make all the time. You see what I say? Because most of them songs are unreleased. We know say some of them out there already and some of them are older songs and whatever. You see me? But she capable of singing them all the time and give her good vibes. And you know, sometimes people are DJ and them skip over words and them no member. But never say she do that yet. Always fluent. Always smooth. You see what I say? You know how them people stay. You have certain artists where them just hear the rhythm and them know what them are going to do. You see what I say? She are definitely one of them people there. So people, let's get into another video. Take a listen to this. Here goes.
When Shaneil Muir said,
You know what I tell him, say? Me then is not me now. You don't want my back, trust me. I'm not the same girl, I'm not the girl where you used to the lame girl. But you top can't step in the fame world. You come and cry out for me, true man not die out for me. Most wanted, no you can't get my back like you haunted. No every top man want the artist. I need you in my life, you want crosses. Not true welcome, they on my mat. That no mean say you need to come back. The grass not green up on the other side. Go take a next girl for another ride. I'm not the person I used to know.
So yeah, people, in closing, I just want to say thank you for listening and thank you for making to the end of the video. No more if you know want to think about the top girl, want to think about her as an artist, you know what I mean, want to think about her as a musician, the song them, any capacity one can think of, anything one want to say about the top girl, you know what I mean? We know say some people say she have one flow and every song sound the same, but she know that, she hear that, she sing about that. You see what I mean? I forgot the song where she said that. But guess what, people? That not take away from her. Like, she know what go on, and sometimes that make you great. You know what I mean? That make you special. Now, like I said, I want to know to think about her career, her trajectory, and all of that. You know what I mean? What go on for her down in the comment section. Now, people, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribed, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my longtime subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is. Wherever you are, stay safe out there.
Dancehall IG, Atina! Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich! Punk, should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!